Alright, hello listeners. Today we're going to be looking at the stock market, and how it works, and how to invest in it, how to buy shares from companies. First of all, we're going to look at the meaning of stock. So, because there's a saying that said, when you don't know where you are going, everywhere looks like it. So, first of all, we need to know where we are heading to. Now, looking at it first, we said that stock is a type of an investment. Yes, stock is really an investment in a company. Now, we said that companies issue what? Stock shares to raise money in order to finance operational needs and to fuel what? Growth. Now, when we talk about the stock, we said that it's a type of what? Investment. It's a kind of investment someone pays into a company. Stock is an investment into a public what? Company. It's an investment where you put your money, and after some time it generates. Like you give your money shoes to walk, to run. Now, in this stock, when you own a stock market, we see that this stock is issued into two main types, which are your common stocks or preferred what? Stock. Now, when we talk about common stock, it is when you own a share in a company's what? Profit. When you own a share in a company's profit, and as well as the right to vote. Yes, but that is not the main thing we are going to look at in this video. It's not the major thing we are going to be looking at in this video. Our major thing is I'm going to show you how to buy stock from a well and trusted company. Now, we say stocks are the type of security that gives the stockholders and shares of ownership in a company. When we talk about stock has to do with buying of shares. And what are shares? Shares is a financial instrument that refers the part ownership of a company, that represents the part ownership of a company. That means you're buying share, you are buying a kind of a product of a company, and as long as the company is doing well, you are earning your profit. Alright, let me show you how to go into this. Now, first of all, you go into your Play Store. When you go into your Play Store, you're going to see, you type in your Wealth.ng app. It's a very trusted app and trusted company where you buy shares and also sell shares. Now we are going to install it. As you can see on my phone, it's already installed. I've been using it. Now, after this, you're going to open it, and opening, you have to register, fill the KYC, your name, and everything. Let me just show you how it looks like. We have stock market Wealth.ng. Okay, this is already logged in. Let me show you how. Let's go to the new this. Okay, Wealth.ng login. Sign up. Okay, fine. They say welcome, take the first step towards a financial freedom. Now, when you open this app, when you have already downloaded it from your Play Store, this is how it's going to look like. You put in your first name, your last name, your phone number, email, password, and you confirm your password. Then you have to sign up to the terms and conditions. Then after that, the moment you sign up here, this should now take us to the app in question, which is a Wealth.ng. It's a very trusted company. Alright, you see mine is already logged in. Then I have to put in my password. I'll take off my fingerprint. Okay. All right. This is where it takes us to. As you can see, my you can see my net worth. You can see my cash balance and many more. This is how it looks like once you register and fill out the KYC form. You have the marketplace, you have the portfolio, you have your transaction here. This is where all your buying and selling, everything appears here. I can see I have sold some, I have also bought some. All right, let me show you how to buy stock, how to buy shares from this company. All right, now as you can see, we have different stocks in here. To your marketplace, when you enter your marketplace, see them here from different companies. But now the major thing is not about buying from different companies, but we have to buy based on the company we know, the company you trust, that you know that they are doing well, they are rating well. Because depending on the company, the performance of the company determine how your profit is going to look like. Okay. Initially, I love buying. We have Wema, you can see FCMB, Fidelity, UBA has many, like you're going to see many. They are multi. Now, initially, I love buying. Okay, let's try MTN because we all know MTN. MTN is a very good company that is performing very well. Yes, MTN is really doing well. All right, let's check MTN and how to buy MTN stock. As you can see, it's loading. Yes. All right. As you can see, I've already bought MTN stock before. You can see my destiny is already placed there as sell. I bought 3 units. Okay, let's add to chart. Okay, it's already working there. Let's look for another company. I've already bought for MTN, so my destiny is already reading, is already working. So let's look for another company to buy from that we trust very well. Stanbic. Okay, let's try Stanbic. Okay, and fine. He said they said the Nigeria Stock Exchange is open hour between what 10 o'clock a.m. to 2:20 p.m. Monday to Friday. Your stock your stock buy order will be saved, then executed when the market will reopens. You have to tap your continue. Now here we have to, if you watch, you're going to see the unit. The unit is what 33 naira. Now how many units do you want to buy? It depends. We have one. If you want to buy one, you want to buy two, just depending on how much you have. 3, 4, 30. Anyhow, we're going to buy just one. Oh, okay. Let's make it. I'm going to make it 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's balance the equation. All right. You can see I have I bought 4 unit stock from Stanbic. Now, and it's rating what 132 naira. You tap your add to chart. The item has been added. Can you see that? Here, when you press continue, you go over to the marketplace again. Okay, you see, we are back here again. But maybe let's go and see what we bought and see how it looks like. You're going to see a box over here. All right. Have you seen it? Now, you can see fees and tax. The fees and tax after buying all this stock from buying the shares from Stanbic, you can see it took 20 naira from us, 20 naira to Kobo. Now, concluding of everything, all the total expenses made was what 152 naira to Kobo. Alright, this is a company we bought from. Now, the moment the market opens, initially the the market price is going to open like initially as they told us there. So once it reopens, they are going to establish this our stock here that we have bought. We have to do checkout. Yes, you have to tap your checkout to pay for it. Now they say, how do you want to pay for the investment you wish to buy? We have the credit card, pay from cash balance. This cash balance is already when you have already debited yourself from the credit card. This pay from the cash balance has to do with your portfolio. Now we'll tap. I already have money. I have up to 300 naira something in my cash balance. When you tap the cash balance, you tap continue. You have successfully paid for your what investment. It's already paid. So once the market will open, it's going to be established. They're going to establish the market, the product. You can see success. Your transfer has been what your transaction has been successfully what completed. Now we have to tap here and cancel it. That's all. We are back. You can see that my cash balance there was initially 300 or something. Now it's not over because I've paid for it. So once the market reopens, you will see the stock open buy. You can see it as it works in. Now we have let me show you the other ones I've done. My portfolio. You have my stocks. You can see company I bought stock from. So I have MTN, UBA, Dangote Cement, remember Vitaphone. It's a company I bought shares from. Now if you watch very well, I bought 3 units from this. I bought 2 units. I bought 1. I bought 3. I bought 5. Let's check the MTN. You can see this amount invested was what 675 naira. Now the current value now is how much? 687 naira. That means MTN are doing well. So the more these companies are doing well, the more I am also going to aim from this company. So that is why it's not about buying, but you have to buy from a well trusted company that you know that are doing well in their business and other ventures. So that is all for that. I have my transaction here. You see, so it's not something you think is not possible or it is fake or real. Like normally say, you can see this. You have seen sell reverse. We have the reverse side. Look at the many. So it has been a long time. At least I've been in this website for a year now. So I know what I'm talking about. Alright, so this is the profile. You have your profile here, you have your transaction, the portfolio, my portfolio investment. My net worth is 1,412 naira. Alright, so I have the marketplace where you see your stocks and you choose from any company to buy from. So that is all for this video. So I will likely also want to also to venture into this and see how it works and start also earning, because they say a great man said the only way for you to enjoy life is to discover a means of making money even while sleeping. Alright, thank you very much. Have a nice day.